Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change downtime schedule on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Screen Time. Then in the Screen Time, scroll down again and click the downtime. Then after that, in the downtime, you can change the schedule in this part by putting a check mark on the side. For example, you want to change it to customized days, then click this until there's a check mark. And you can now select the schedule that you want. For example, you want to choose on Wednesday, 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. Then click this and just change it. Then back. And if you want to change it to every day, just click again the every day until there's also a check mark on the side. You can also customize in this part the day of your schedule. And that's it. We have successfully changed downtime schedule on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.